Most Windows users only explore the basic features, File Explorer, Settings, maybe Task Manager on a busy day. But what if I told you Windows is packed with secret tools that feel almost illegal because of how powerful they are? In this video, I'll show you hidden features that can boost performance, reveal deep system information, and give you control over your PC like never before. Let's begin with the first one, God Mode. Yes, that's the real name. God Mode gives you a single folder containing more than 200 system controls. Every setting Windows has, all organized in one place. To enable it, create a new folder and rename it to God Mode. ED7B84708T54465C99712043041C. Open it, and you instantly get access to tools that many people don't even know exist. Next, we have Resource Monitor, a more detailed version of Task Manager. While Task Manager shows you what's running, Resource Monitor shows why it's running. You can track which apps are using your CPU, RAM, disk, and network in real time. Just search Resource Monitor from the Start menu. If your PC is slow, this tool reveals the exact process causing the problem. The third tool is Reliability Monitor. This is like a secret timeline of your PC's health. It logs crashes, software errors, driver issues, and updates all displayed on a clean graph. You can open it by typing Reliability into the Start menu. If your computer keeps crashing and you don't know why, this tool will show you the exact cause. Tool number 4 is Steps Recorder. This tool automatically records every click, scroll, and action you make. It's perfect for showing someone how to fix a problem, or for diagnosing issues. Search for Steps Recorder, hit Start Record, and it creates a full step-by-step guide with screenshots. And finally, MSConfig. This hidden system tool lets you control which programs start when your PC boots. By disabling unnecessary startup apps, you can significantly speed up your computer. Just type MSConfig into the Run window. These tools aren't dangerous, but they feel illegal because most people have no idea they exist. Now that you do, your Windows experience will never be the same. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.